my Alumacraft John boat. Last weekend I installed a transducer. Thought I took all the precautionary steps. And when I went to test it and put it in the water on Sunday, I had 1.5 inches of water in my boat in about 10 minutes. I re-caulked, reapplied the screws, and put it in properly. And when I was done, I took it back out. And once again, 1.5 inches of water in 10 minutes. So what I had to do was fill the whole boat up with a garden hose. And to my surprise, I was missing a rivet. I drove down to Bay Marine and I told them that the hole on the bottom of my boat couldn't be sealed with the standard punch rivet because the seat on top of that hole wouldn't allow you to have the back plate in order to punch the rivet through. So the guy in the back shop, he said, this is why we got these blind rivets. And I looked up the blind rivets, and there's two types. There's closed and open. For waterproof assembly, you want the closed. And he gave me one. My regular rivet gun would only go up to 3/16. So I went down to Canadian Tire, picked up a heavy duty double-handed riveter. It was on sale for $31. I have a 1/4 inch drill bit. Okay, so that one is going to fit pretty tight. So what we do is we caulk this with marine grade silicone. Fill the hole, and then I will also add a layer of caulking to the rivet itself. Hoping that this will hold. Just like that. Hopefully, this is going to fix all our problems.